Use with original PPS spray gun cup, includes 25 disposable lids and liners for the large 3M PPS paint cup. Used to apply paints, stains, varnishes, base coats, undercoats, primers, sealers, clear coats, gel coats, sprayable adhesives and more. Versatile uses: large 28-ounce size ideal for any painting project, including cars, boats, furniture, equipment, home, arts and crafts. Part of an all-in-one solution. Use with the original PPS paint cup and collar, sold separately, and virtually any handheld spray gun with adapter to enjoy the efficiency of all-in-one measuring, mixing, filtering and spraying of paint materials. Less waste, more efficiency, less paint waste, mess and contamination than traditional methods. Use up to 70% less cleaning solvent, and shorten prep and cleanup time by as much as 50% compared with conventional metal paint cup systems. 360-degree paint range. System design allows you to consistently spray at any angle, even upside down. Sealing plug protects paint, includes 10 sealing plugs to temporarily cap and protect paint for reuse. For industrial, occupational use only. Not for consumer sale or use. 3M PPS large lids and liners kit contains 25 disposable lids, 25 disposable liners and 10 sealing plugs for use with the original PPS spray gun system, an all-in-one solution for measuring, mixing, filtering and spraying paint materials. Unlike conventional aluminum or other metal paint cup systems, with PPS you don't have to mix paint in extra cups and filter it into a paint reservoir, so you waste less paint. Simply place a liner in the reusable paint cup, mix the paint, snap on the lid, attach the locking collar and you're ready to spray. With a fresh lid and liner for each mix, there's less risk of outside contamination. You can also increase productivity and prep and cleanup time by as much as 50% and use up to 70% less cleaning solvent over conventional paint cup systems. Each lid strains paint material with a built-in 125 micron filter, commonly used for waterborne paint materials. Specially designed PPS stainless steel metal adapters let you use the PPS system with virtually any spray gun. Top reviews from the United States. 3 meters PPS liners and filter lids. I like the disposability of the product. After using standard paint guns for years, transitioning to 3 meters PPS system was a breeze. Just the overall cleanup will save you hours and money on just the cleaning chemicals alone. Cleaning your paint gun is fast. It takes just a couple of minutes to wash out your paint gun. The liners and filter lids go into the trash and you're done.